During that entire process of Gurmeet Singh being convicted and then sentenced, and the mess that we saw play out in Panchkula and Chandigarh, and we talked about the fact that these people, through their influence, live above the law. Here's an example of that same influence, Mr. Khemka.
See, Faye, let us talk totally legally. Now,
Please.
Number one, as per the code of conduct, a police officer cannot offer his chair to anyone but for his superiors. Like Mr. Vikram Singh said, superiors and the judicial officers. That is it. He is not supposed to offer his chair or allow anybody to occupy that chair by anyone else. Number one. Number two, the police officer is not supposed to act with familiarity. He is supposed to act unbiased. He is not supposed to be familiar with anybody while he is in chair. The third is that he is not allowed to wear anything over his uniform. Now here in this case, this officer was wearing a chunni over his uniform. He is not supposed to wear anything over his uniform. He cannot allow his stars to be hidden by anything. Even when suppose a shawl is of police officer, he has immediately to take it off and remove it when he is in uniform. So here certainly the police officers are not supposed to sing and dance in uniform or to show that they belong to a particular community or they have reverence for a particular religion.
Yes.
They are not supposed to. Now all these are total abject illegalities and total violation of code of conduct. Now let us take a case where Radhema herself sat down on the chair. She's not that naive that she doesn't know that it is the chair of the SHO. She is not that naive. She is not that naive that not to know that this is the office of the SHO. Now this lady, if she was sitting there forcibly, then it is a criminal trespass. Now he should have booked her for criminal trespass according to me. It cannot be